Hello, welcome to OmSci Tech, a name known for programming trading robots and indicators for the Vertex FX trading terminal. In this video, we are going to discuss a new Vertex FX plugin called Disparity Oscillator, DO Indicator. The Disparity Oscillator Vertex FX client-side indicator is useful to identify the trend exhaustion and reversals. The Disparity Oscillator DO indicator uses a variation of the relative momentum RM indicator and the relative change in price to identify whether the current trend is still strong or is nearing exhaustion. This indicator also uses an anchor bar to calculate the relative momentum, which is subsequently aggregated. When the script is attached to the chart, in the first step we calculate the disparity period, which is 1.5 times the input period, over the period parameter, rounded to the nearest integral value. The bar, which is disparity period candles prior to the current candles, is termed as the anchor bar. In the second step, we calculate the disparity ratio by subtracting the current close from the close of the anchor bar and divide this by the close of the anchor bar. This process is repeated for the recent period candles. Finally, the sum of all the disparity ratios is calculated and divided by period to derive the DO value. Ideally, the DO should be used in conjunction with other trending or oscillator indicators like MACD or stochastic oscillators. The trading rule of thumb for using the DO is enters into long when the DO has bottomed out below zero. The stop loss can be placed below the nearest swing low, and it enters into short when the DO has peaked out above zero. The stop loss can be placed above the nearest swing high. In the chart, there are 1 bearish setups and 2 bullish setup marked on the chart. A bearish setup occurs when the DO peaks above zero and starts falling. Likewise, the bullish setup occurs when the DO bottoms out below zero and starts rising. The farther the peaks or bottoms are formed from the neutral zero line, the higher is the probability of a strong reversal.